3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. In. Continue breathing in. Hold your breath. Slowly breathe out. Hold again. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Hold. 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 And relax. Eyes are closed. आंखें बंद ही रखेंगे. Let's start our session with the practice of gratitude. मन में कृतज्ञता का भाव हो. A gentle effort to remind ourselves of all the good things that we have in our lives. हल्का सा एफर्ट ये याद दिलाने के लिए कि हमारे पास बहुत कुछ है पहले से. And let's get ready for the prayer. प्रार्थना के लिए हाथ जोड़ लीजिए.
योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोतं प्रवरं मुनीनां
Okay, welcome to Tuesday. Let's all stand up. Today we are going to focus on our lower body. तो आज हम लोग lower body पे थोड़ा ज़्यादा focus करेंगे. Continue to walk. A nice, simple, easy walk to begin with. If you want to, if you can, jog and stretch your hands out. Spread your fingers wide and also stretch your lips. Smile. Show your teeth completely like this. And continue. Stay there for 30 seconds. 30 सेकंड के लिए बड़ी सी मुस्कुराहट चाहिए चेहरे पर. And bring it down. Relax. Continue to walk. Now, with the walk, lift your knees up like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Hold your hands behind. हाथों को पीछे पकड़ लो ऐसे. If you can't hold your elbows, just hold your hands at the back. And again, lift your knees higher. Let's do it slightly slower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now, with the knees, you have to also take your hands up like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Continue to walk. The next one, you take your hands up and then you push it down like this. 1, 2. Now, if you can clap, amazing. If you cannot, just tap on the thighs. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Normal walk or jog. And now, with the walk or jog, just punch like this. Amazing. Just in 5 minutes, you can do so much of workout. सिर्फ 5 मिनट में ही आप कितना कुछ कर लेते हो. Continue. And let go, relax. So that's our quick round of warm-up. Let's start with calf raises. Tuesday, mandatory calf raises. Calf is also called as our second heart. It is important for us to work on it at least once in a week. Feet shoulder width apart. Lift your heel up and bring it down. Again, up, bring it down. Continue. 1, down. 2, down. Take a support if you wish to. 3, down. 4, down. 5, down. 6, down. 7, down. 8 down, 9 down, 10 down, 10 down, 9. If you do not want to do it 20, do it only 10 times. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Walk. Round 2. Again, you can do anything 20 times or you can do 10 times. You can do 5 times. It's absolutely fine. अगर आपको दर्द पसंद नहीं है, क्योंकि जब आप ज़्यादा करते हो तो होता है मसल में पेन. If you're not comfortable with it, don't do more. Do less. It's fine. Showing up is more important. Round 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9. It's okay to take a break. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Now you have to increase the distance between your feet and push them outwards. ठीक है? दोनों पैरों को आपको बाहर की तरफ ऐसे ओपन करके रखना है. Only 10 times. Okay? 10 बार करेंगे. Again, lift your toes, lift your heel up, not toes. एड़ी को ऊपर उठाओ and bring it down. This works on different area of your calf muscle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Continue to walk. And the last one, try to take your feet inwards. पैरों को अंदर की तरफ कर लो. And you have to again lift up. 1, this will work on the different area of the calf muscle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Now take a mandatory support. आपको हाथ आपके दीवार पर या फिर चेयर पर या कहीं पे डाइनिंग टेबल पर कहीं तो आप हाथ रख लो for support. Okay, now we have to swing our legs. क्या करना है? ऐसे swing करना है. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it slow and easy. It's okay. Do not compare कि अच्छा हमको भी फास्ट करना है. आराम आराम से करो आप. कोई बात नहीं. 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The other leg. दूसरा पैर. Again, take support, mandatory support, okay? बिना support के नहीं करेंगे. Go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. दोनों हाथ दीवार पे रख दो. Keep both your hands on the wall. Now you have to swing right leg left to right like this. 1, 2, 3. देखो लगना नहीं चाहिए. आराम से ध्यान रख के करना है. Make sure you take care of the safety first. 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the other side. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Continue to walk. Today we are going to focus on knee strengthening. हम लोग joint को strengthen करने पे काम करेंगे थोड़ा. You have two options. You can lie down or you can sit on the chair. आपके पास दो ऑप्शन है. आप लेट जाओ या फिर आप एक चेयर पे भी बैठ सकते हो. First is knee extension. बहुत ही simple movement. Pull your toes towards you and push your heel out and stretch your leg straight. कैसे करना है ऐसे? Simple. घुटने को सीधा करो, पैरों की उंगलियों को अंदर खींचो, एड़ी को बाहर पुश करो. Hold. And bring it down. Now this we have to do 10 times with a pause in every round. Okay? हर round के बाद थोड़ा सा pause लेना है. मतलब in the pose you have to pause. Lift up, pause, and bring it down. Up, pause, and bring it down. 1, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, 6, down, 7, down, 8, down, 9, down, 10, down. The other leg. अगर आप इसको और थोड़ा इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हैं तो आप अपने पैरों के नीचे थोड़ा एक तकिया रख सकते हैं. यहाँ पे एक कुशन कुछ रख सकते हैं so that you get a slightly extra height for better movement of the legs. You can do that. And you can do this anytime also, by the way. जब भी आपके पास टाइम हो, आप बैठे हो कहीं पर, बस पैर ऊपर उठाओ तो अपने आप आपके घुटने स्ट्रांग होते चले जाएंगे. Lift up. 1 and down. 2 and down. Pull your toes in. पैरों को अपनी तरफ खींचना बहुत जरूरी है. 3 and down. 4 and down. 5 and down. 6 down. 7 down. 8 down, 9, down, 10, and down. We'll do it one more time on each side. दोनों तरफ एक एक बार repeat करेंगे इसी को. Ready? Lift up. 1. Pull your toes. पैरों की उंगलियों को खींचो अच्छे से and down. 2. Hold and bring it down. 3. Pull your toes. पैरों को खींचो down. 4. Down. 5. Down. 6. Down. 7. Down. 8. Down. 9. Hold. Slowly down. Last round, 10. Hold. Stay there. Hold it. Hold it. Pull your toes. Pull your toes. And relax. The other side. Lift up. 1. And down. 2. And down. 3. Down. 4. Pull your toes in every round. Try to pull slightly more and bring it down. 5. Down. 6. Down. 7. Down. 8. Down. 9. Down. Hold. 10. Hold it, hold it, hold it for a longer duration. And let go. Relax. Sit up straight. सीधे बैठ जाओ उठकर. अगर आप चेयर पे बैठे हो तो जैसे है वैसे चलेगा. Now we have to stretch the hamstring. So you have to bend one leg. एक घुटने को मोड़ लो. ऐसे. जानो जी. हाँ. If you feel this is too difficult for you, you can bend your knee slightly, but try to keep your knee as straight as possible. And now you have to go forward and feel the stretch here in the hamstring region. तो knee strengthening के दो पॉइंट्स बोल सकते हो. एक है स्ट्रेंथ और दूसरा है फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. अगर आपका मसल स्टिफ है तो भी नी पेन होता है, तो भी नी की स्ट्रेंथ कम हो जाती है. तो स्ट्रेच, बेंडिंग द नी स्लाइटली मेक्स इट इजियर. ओके, stay there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. The other side. Again, अगर आपको घुटना थोड़ा नहीं हो पा रहा है अगर, तो घुटना थोड़ा मोड़ लो, बहुत आसानी से हो जाएगा. घुटना मोड़ लो थोड़ा. हाँ, और थोड़ा दिखना चाहिए. हाँ, perfect. So if you bend your knee, it will be much easier, and then you can push your heel away and stretch your knee straight as much as possible. Hold it. And relax. Now, for those of us who are sitting on the chair, you can also lie down on the back. पीठ के बल लेट जाओ वापस से. Now, if you can't lie down on the floor, you can do it on the bed also. A simple movement for knee strengthening, we have to strengthen the muscles around the knee. घुटने के आसपास जितने muscles है सबको strong करना है. So keep your toes pointing up. पैरों की उंगलियों को ऊपर की तरफ point करो. Keep them active. And now lift your right leg up like this. Simple. Keep the knee straight. घुटना सीधा करो. जितना घुटना सीधा रहेगा उतना मसल एक्टिवेशन बेटर होगा. And bring it down, straight down. Up and down, we have to do it 10 times. 1, pull the toes, push your heel, knee straight. 2, 3, 4. पूरा पैर जमीन पे वापस नहीं रखना है. We are just taking up and down without touching the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Looks like a simple exercise, but amazing activation for the quads, which is front of the thigh. देखने में लगता है बहुत आसान है, but पूरे front thigh में अच्छा activation मिलता है. Left side or the other side, जो भी पहले की आप दूसरा side करो. Pull the toes, push your heel out, knee straight, up and down. 1. पूरा पैर जमीन पे नहीं रखेंगे वापस. 2. It is just a movement, not relaxation in between. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring it down, relax. The more you are able to pull your toes towards you, the better impact it gives. जितना पैरों की उंगलियों को अपनी तरफ खींचोगे उतना बढ़िया होगा. Second round, both sides 10 times each. Pull your toes, पैरों की उंगलियों को खींचो. That's the most important part here. जितना पैरों की उंगलियों को खींचोगे उतना अच्छा एक्टिवेशन होगा. Lift up. 1, 2, knee straight, knee straight. 3, 4, 5. Do not keep it back down. 6, 7. पैर हवा में ही रहने चाहिए. 8, 9, 10. Relax. I'm sure you can feel some sensations in your thigh region. The other side, toes pointing up, pull towards you, and up and down 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. विश्राम करे. 10 सेकेंड के लिए पैरों को ढीला छोड़ दे. For 10 seconds, drop your feet. Relax completely. Now come on your sides. Side पे आ जाओ ऐसे. Side lying down. Now you can support your neck with your hand with a pillow, or you can also keep it. Whatever feels comfortable. If you have neck issues, नहीं comfortable लग रहा है तो एक तकिया ले लो. Otherwise, this should also feel good. Pull the toes towards you. पैरों की उंगलियों को अपनी तरफ खींचो. Lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. पूरा वापस नहीं रखना है. 7, 8, 9, 10. relax. एक राउंड और करेंगे and then we will do the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. So this is working on the side of the legs. Now keep your leg like this, and we have to work on the inner thigh of the leg which is down. You have to lift up like this, up and down 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. सब कुछ आप लेटे लेटे अपने बेड पर भी कर सकते हो. ऐसा कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि मैट पे ही करना है. दिस विल एक्चुअली अलाउ यू इन फ्यूचर टू सिट डाउन ऑल्सो. घुटना स्ट्रांग रहता है तो आप ज़मीन पे बैठ पाओगे फिर आगे चल के. राउंड 2, लिफ्ट अप. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. And now slowly shift. आप फ्लिप हो सकते हो, फोन को एडजस्ट कर लो. Pull your toes towards you. And we have to lift the leg up now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. We'll do one more round. Lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And keep your foot down. Anytime if you feel 20 is too much, it's okay to take a break. I'm saying it again because I know for some of us it might be too challenging. Some of us would be able to do it very easily. So it's absolutely okay. Do what your body allows and what you feel comfortable. Okay? Let's work on the inner thigh. Lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you are wondering कि वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड का अनाउंसमेंट कब होगा तो वो आखिरी में होगा. Okay, towards the end of the session. And let's do one more round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Sit up. धीरे से उठ के बैठ जाओ. Feet forward like this. A little bit of mobility. Drop on the left and drop on the right. Take your time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is one of the most interesting stretches for the hip joint. जब ये करते हैं तो थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐसे अपने आप शरीर आगे चला जाता है, which is okay by the way. There was a question कि ऐसे 90-90 करते हैं तो आगे क्यों चला जाता है? It's normal, it's okay. Sit comfortable and easy. आराम से बैठ जाओ. Breathe in, take your head up. Breathe out, forward and down. Do as much as possible. Breathe in from the right side. Continue body rotation with the breath. सांसें रोकना नहीं है. मूवमेंट भी चालू चाहिए और ब्रीदिंग भी उसके साथ सिंक्रोनाइज करना है. सांस लेते हुए ऊपर, सांस छोड़ते हुए नीचे. You can breathe in, come up, breathe out, go down. Make sure to keep your neck still. गर्दन सीधी रखेंगे, कमर से गोल घूमना है. और शुरू में आप छोटे सर्कल लीजिए, फिर धीरे धीरे आप बड़े सर्कल कर सकते हैं. Reverse the direction. After this round, change the side 5 times, left to right. And from the center, slowly come up, lie down on your stomach. पेट के बल लेट जाओ. Hands by your side, chin on the floor. Lift your right leg up. Ardha Shalabhasan. Bring it down. Lift your left leg up. Bring it down. Relax. Make a fist of your hand, keep it under your groin region. Now, lift both your legs up together. Shalabhasan. And bring it down, let go. Hands under your shoulders, हाथों को कंधों के नीचे रख ले. Lift your head and chest up, सिर और छाती को ऊपर उठाए. Bhujangasana, Ardha Bhujangasana. Mandatory big smile on the face. Stay there for 10 seconds. 10 सेकेंड के लिए बड़ी सी मुस्कुराहट चाहिए. अगर अनकंफर्टेबल लगे तो आंखें बंद करके मुस्कुराओ. If you feel uncomfortable, keep your eyes closed and then smile. Smile with full effort, full, show your teeth. And bring it down. Let go. Stretch your hands in the front. Lift your hands, lift your legs up. हाथ और पैरों को एक साथ ऊपर उठाए. विपरीत शलभासन. Now, if you find it challenging, until we build the strength, we will do one at a time. धीरे धीरे आपकी स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ जाएगी, पर जब तक नहीं बढ़ पा रही है, नहीं हो पा रहा है, तब तक सिंपल सिंपल कर लो. एक हाथ और एक पैर को ऊपर उठाएंगे. One of the best asanas for strengthening your back. Relax. Bend your legs. Hold your ankle. Dhanurasan, lift up. Bring it down and relax in Makarasana. पूरे शरीर को ढीला छोड़े, कोई भी घुटने को छाती के पास ले आए. Bring any leg closer to the chest. Relax more and more. Slowly turn around. Lie down on your back. पीठ के बल लेट जाए. Pavan Muktasan. Bring both your knees closer to the chest. Take your time. अपना समय लेते हुए करेंगे. कोई जल्दी नहीं है. एक आध आसन आप बीच में स्किप कर दो तो भी चलेगा. Now attempt to take your nose to the knee. नाक को घुटने से लगाने की चेष्टा करें. Relax. Setu Bandhasan. Heels close to the body, knees pointing up. This is our last strengthening asan for the lower body, which actually works on the glutes. तो हमने फ्रंट ऑफ द थाई, इनर थाई, आउटसाइड ऑफ द थाई, बैक ऑफ द थाई सब पे काम कर लिया. बस ग्लूट्स बाकी था. ग्लूट्स के लिए कमर को ऊपर उठाए. पुश योर ग्लूट्स अप, पुल योर स्टमक इन. पेट को अंदर खींचो, कमर को ऊपर पुश करो. ब्रिंग इट डाउन. वन मोर टाइम. Stay there. And let go. One more time, come up. And bring it down. Round 4, up, down. Round 5, down. 6, down. 7, down. 8, down. 9, down. 10, down. Relax. Supta Kapotasana, stretching for the glutes. Left ankle on the right thigh. Bring your right knee closer to the chest. Pull. If you find it's difficult to bring the right knee, hold the left knee and bring it closer. This helps you stretch your glutes, hamstrings and the lower back. Janga, kamar or lower back. The other side, right ankle on the left thigh. Bring your left knee closer or you can also pull the right knee closer. कोशिश करना है कि लेफ्ट नी खींचो ऐसे, पर अगर ये मुश्किल लगे तो आप सिर्फ राइट नी को पकड़ के भी ऐसे खींच सकते हो. And relax. शवासन, पूरे शरीर को ढीला छोड़े. 30 seconds, relax completely. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Mentally chant 3 times. I am healthy, I am happy. 3 बार मन में संकल्प ले. मैं स्वस्थ हूँ, मैं खुश हूँ. Mentally, you can also say, I am strong. मन ही मन बोल सकते हो, मैं ताकतवर हूँ. All the strength in your legs, it does not just stay in the leg, it impacts your whole body. पैरों की ताकत ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ पैरों के लिए, वो पूरे शरीर को फर्क पड़ता है उससे. Imagine all the stress and tension in your legs going out through the breath. पूरी तरह विश्राम दे पैरों को. And slowly turn to your right side. Sit up. धीरे से उठ के बैठ जाओ. Stretch your hands up, lengthen your spine. And Yoga Mudra. Make a fist of your right hand, hold your right wrist with your left, go forward and down. And slowly come up. Okay, so amazing. Thank you so much for joining. We have Christopher again with us today. Hello.
Hi.
Can you hear us? Oh, it's dropping off. Hi, Christopher. Can you hear us?
Yes, I can. Good day. How are you?
Very good, very good. Thank you so much for joining again.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me.
You have some announcements for us, sir?
I absolutely do. But first, I'm just going to quickly talk a little bit about your world record today. This is a yoga world record attempt. This is the most live viewership for a yoga lesson on YouTube within a 24-hour period. However, this record is for the most live viewership for a yoga lesson on YouTube within 24 hours, and it was set by Habil.in, and it was led by Sarah Botra on 12th and 13th January 2026. Now, to my knowledge, last year you all performed a world record attempt and you were successful.
We were.
Am I audible?
You are audible. I just want so that it does not echo, and hence I'm keeping myself on mute.
Oh, fantastic. Okay. So last year you all set a world record to which I was a part of. And again, I want to thank you for that. I did perform a few yoga stretches with you. However, it was quite difficult wearing a suit, but I managed. So this achievement highlights a large-scale digital participation with an effective audience engagement through an online wellness platform. The total count for this record in attendees was 9,39,041 participants. Congratulations, you are all world record holders again.
So we have the team. So yeah, the number is 9,39,041 participants did the world record yesterday and in the last 24 hours. So Chris has been kind enough to send us this already, so that everyone sees this. Okay, so the team is here to say thank you to all of you for joining and being part of this. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much, everyone, for being part of this. So we have another small announcement. Christopher, I'm going to take another half a minute for everyone. Yes, so we were also doing this small तो नहीं बोलना चाहिए, बहुत बड़ा rather, a school project for which we have been able to collect 1,24,000 bricks till today. So here is a small video which team has made for all of you. Okay, let me just play that video again for all of us. Okay, so yes, that's it for today. You can continue with your pranayam practice. So we are continuing with the effort to contribute for the school project. So you can keep inviting your friends and family members, and they can also still join our free program until 26th of January. So wish you all the best. And today you have to type WRC on the chat. Can we have the graphic, please? So that you get the world record certificate. Yesterday, the certificate was of participation. Today, we have the number. So you can type in WRC on WhatsApp so that you get the certificate for today. That's it. Thank you so much. And we have 12 more days. So see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.